Hello viewers, you are welcome to this tutorial. This session is to teach you how to handle errors within your code. So we name it error handling. Okay, so in every programming there is a point where you make errors within your code. Okay, there is no code without an error. So the more we make errors, the more we know how to read errors. So maybe currently I can read errors because I've made several mistakes within the code. So there are three kinds of errors we need to know when we are dealing with error handling. Okay, or maybe three kinds of errors you need to know that are possible of occurring within your code. So the first one is called a syntax error. Alright, what is a syntax error? If it's a syntax error, it is when you make a kind of mistake within your syntax that you're using within your code. So anytime you're writing some lines of code, Python has basic syntaxes that it implements. Okay, so if you use Python's wrong syntax, just like you're speaking to someone in English or Spanish or French or any other language, and you're using the wrong syntaxes, where it's supposed to be a full stop, you're saying exclamation mark, where it's supposed to be a comma, you're saying question mark. Okay, so if you're using all these things, then you are using the wrong syntaxes, so meaning the program will not be executed in the first place because there is an error within your grammar. Okay, so that is what is meant as syntax error. The program will not be executed. So syntax errors, the program will not be executed. All right, will not be executed. Okay, now why would they not be executed? Because Python understands with its basic syntaxes. Okay, Python, that is how they communicate. Write the software in the way Python understands, so Python will execute the software. But there is a mistake in the syntax, or maybe a misspelled in the syntax, so Python will not execute this program because it is not understood by Python itself. Alright, so Python has a way of handling its own errors behind the scene to throw you errors and say this is a syntax error. So we're going to handle that in the next tutorial, which is to come, where I'll show you a practical session of all these ones. Alright, so the next one is the logic error or the logical error. Alright, so what is a logical error? With this, your program will be executed. Unlike the syntax error, but with the logical error, your program will be executed. It will run, everything goes smoothly, but the expected result or the intended result will not be found. So an example is, maybe you were supposed to say 2 minus 2 and you said 2 plus 2. Just look at something like that. Or another example is when you write in the software, and anytime you receive an input from the user, it's translated into a string, and you forget to take it back to an integer, and you add 2 plus 2, and 2 plus 2 will become 22, which I'll show you in the next code, okay, in the next session. So these are logical errors, and these are one of the errors that are very hard to find. The reason being that with syntax errors, Python gives you a prompt and says there is an error in this line of code. With runtime error, you also see the error within the lines of code, okay, after Python catches the error. But with the logical error, there is no way Python will, because Python doesn't know what is in your head. It can't assume you were trying to subtract 2 from 2. All it knows is you said 2 minus 2 or 2 plus 2. So these are some of the errors which you will come across meeting. But moreover, we'll deal with most of the examples of them in the next tutorial. So these are logical errors. The code will run, everything will be executed, but what happens is you are not going to have your expected or the intended result. So what are runtime errors as well? Now these are what we are going to be using error handling syntaxes or mechanisms to handle these errors. So runtime errors are errors which occurs by something like a zero division error. Okay, so Python has built-in known errors which, when they occur, they kind of go through runtime. So the difference between runtime and syntax errors, though both of them are handled by the programming you're dealing with, by the language. So Python handles syntax errors and runtime errors, but the difference among them is with syntax errors, the program will not be executed in the first place. Okay, why? Because the communication level between you and Python is cut off because they don't understand the syntax. But with the runtime error, the program will be executed. Okay, but there will be a problem during the runtime when the program is in execution. So this is checked before execution, this is checked during execution. Okay, that's why it's called a runtime error. So this will not be executed at all, but this will be executed, and during the process of execution, it will realize that the user entered a different value. The user entered 0, and 0 cannot be divided with any number. Okay, or we can divide any number with 0. The user entered a string instead of an integer. Okay, so these are some of the errors which comes with runtime during execution. Syntax error before execution, it has to be checked. So these are the errors we have, these three kinds of errors. In the next session, I'm going to teach you how you can be able to implement and handle these errors, and they are very good and reliable. So thank you for viewing. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not, and leave every comment you have, all questions you have, and I'll answer you. Ring the bell to receive our updates, and like the videos if they're informative for you. Thank you for